got a question from one of our viewers when they were watching the video on how to install handrails and spindles. They asked, do you have any videos on how to close in stair stringers? This was part of our stair renovation that we didn't record to make a video of. But I do have some progress photos that I can show you the process of how it's done. And we have a video that's handheld and a little bit shaky we used to share with family members about the excitement of starting our renovation. I'll put those together and show you how it's done. Key components we're talking about here are the tread, the riser, and the stringers. The tread is a space where you step. The riser is a vertical piece between the treads. And the stringer is the piece that holds all the treads and risers together. In this case, we have an open stringer, and what we'll do is close the stringer. The first thing to do is to pull out the spindles and then remove the carpet to expose the ends of the treads. Then I mark the ends of the treads and cut them off with a circular saw and finish it off with a hand saw where the circular saw won't reach. This removes the overhang of the tread so it's flush with the stringer. Here's a progress photo, and in here you can see we used a 2x3 to screw to the treads. This is the starting point for building in the closed stringers. The 2x3 is installed so it's flush with the end of the treads. That way it's ready for the wainscoting that will eventually cover it. I then moved on to build the closed stringer filler board. This is a board that I cut to the angle and mounted temporarily on the outside of the stair. Then I traced the pattern of the tread and the riser, cut it out, and then fit it in place. I added glue blocks to the stair treads to make sure I had enough gluing surface to put the filler board on with construction adhesive. The outside of the closed stringer is covered off by wainscoting, and that conceals all the mess that was made by closing it in. The last step is to finish off the top. This is the top of the closed stringer, and on top of that I need to put the shoe rail. This is a board with a groove in it that allows the stair spindles to be secured at the bottom. If you'd like to understand how to make a shoe rail, you can watch another one of our videos in our renovation series. We've also got videos on how to build newel posts, how to install wainscoting on angles, handrail installation, and how to spray paint stairs. I hope you enjoyed this session of questions and answers, and if you've got questions, please leave comments on our videos. I'm happy to respond to them and teach you how to be a better woodworker. In the meantime, enjoy your time in the woodshop.